Hey there, my name is Belinda Matwally. I'm a meditation teacher, and in this video I'm talking about energy and mindset. I've created a series called Energy Now, which is a series of 5 free meditations, all to do with cultivating and making the most of your own personal energy. We often say things like, oh, I wish I had more energy, but the fact is you have enough energy. It's more about how you are distributing it in your body, how you're using your energy, and also knowing how to let go of other people's energy and bring more of your energy back in. So I share all of this in my free mini course Energy Now, and today I want to share more specifically about energy mindset. So this is something that I used to catch myself saying all the time, and you probably do too, saying things like, oh, I feel so tired. And when you're tired, you often repeat this over and over again. Oh, I feel so tired. I feel so tired. Someone's like, hey, how are you? Oh, I feel so tired. And you don't realize that every time you're saying that, you're actually affirming that to every single cell in your body that you're tired. And it creates this loop almost that you, like a self-fulfilling prophecy. The more that you say it, the more tired that you feel. Now, I'm definitely not for working ourselves into adrenal fatigue or overdoing it, but sometimes watching your mindset and being like, okay, I have to do a particular task right now, or I really want to give my energy to this person that I'm with. Rather than feeling I'm so tired, I'm going to take a really deep breath in. I'm going to feel that breath energizing my body and kind of saying to myself, yeah, I've got this. I trust in my body's ability to do everything that I need to do today. And again, within reason, I'm not condoning burnout in any way at all. But if you shift to this kind of mindset rather than oh, I'm so tired, it really, really makes a massive difference, because our thoughts, our energy, it's all connected and related. So if you would like to know more how to cultivate, make the most of your energy, you can subscribe to my free mini course at belindamatwally.com. The information is below. If you like this video, give it a like. Feel free to share it with a friend. If next time they say, oh, I feel so tired, you can remember this. And if you like this, also subscribe. I share a lot of videos not only about energy, but meditation and joy and ecstasy and all the good things about being a human being.